Hello YouTube friends, Alicia here. So this is probably going to be like the worst video ever, but that's okay. I'm going to do my best. I'm going to do a video on what is in my Ikea cart, which is all, well not all, but sorry, everything in here is like mixed media and painting and things like that. Supplies, it's not all I have, it's just all that fits in here. But yeah, it's most of what I have as far as like the mediums and stuff goes. But so in the bottom drawer, okay, before you judge how much stuff I have and how much money this stuff has, keep in mind I've gotten it over a number of years and I've bought a lot of it on sale and from thrift stores, and some of it has been gifted to me. So I did not just go and purchase thousands of dollars of items, even though I keep everything in their packaging for the most part. It's not all new stuff. So on the bottom I have my paints and pencil crayons, gelatos, and things like that. So I have Jane Davenport paints, which were gifted to me from my friend Lori for my birthday a few years ago. Watercolor crayons. These, I believe, are from Amazon. Watercolor pencils. I bought these secondhand. A Prismacolor pencils, the Premier. My dollar store was carrying them for a while for $4 a tin, and I wish I bought more. Dollar and Rowney chalk pastels. If you've seen my YouTube videos before, you know I hate Dollar and Rowney. I'm sure they have good something in their product line. Well, I shouldn't say that. Their texture paste and stuff is okay, but yeah, I'm not a big fan of their product. Their watercolor paper is awful. Steadler watercolor crayons from my thrift store. Metallic pencil crayons from the dollar store. These I got from Michael's. My portfolio crayons. These are a new watercolor paint set that I got recently. I have to try it yet. In the back, how can I show this? I have all my Inktense as well as Prismacolor sticks. I forgot I had those. I have to try those. I got them from the thrift store. So I have Color Soft, watercolor, Inktense blocks and Inktense pencils back here. I've had them for about 5 years. I just opened my Inktense watercolor pencils. I did a painting with them that was offered on Michael's website that the Frugal Crafter did. So yeah, some of this stuff is not very well used. Actually, most of it sadly is not used very often, so I'm trying to get in here and use the stuff more. But yeah, so that's that. Then I have buckets on the side. You can see thrift store 49 cents. They're not gelatos. They're like, I don't even know if I got them. I think I got them off Amazon, but they're like metallic gelatos, knockoffs, whatever you want to call them. This is from my friend. Well, actually I haven't talked to her in forever, but Thrifty Lou used to be on YouTube. She sent me that. She lives in the UK. Here I have some fabric paint from my dollar store and paint markers, gel pens from the dollar store, things like that. That's a chalk marker. I don't know why that's in there, but it is. Empty spray bottles. Here I have Sharpies. So just different Sharpies, different brands, different places. My label makers, which I don't really use because truthfully they annoy me. I think the concept of them is cool, like especially in mixed media pages and things like that. But I just haven't had much luck with them. So that is the side. Oh, and the green bins are from Ikea. I have gone to Ikea, I think 3 times in my life. The store completely overwhelms me. But I wanted these buckets specifically, so I did go and buy them. Okay, and the second one I have, these are poster crayons, which I haven't tried them, but the dollar store was carrying, and I've gotten a couple packs of them. They were really neat. They were like, I don't know how you say it. I want to say they were like gelatos. They were creamy, colored watercolor pencils, basically. I don't know if they were meant for watercolors, but they react really well with water, and my niece just loves them. So I thought these would be fun to try. And then in here I have my Prismacolor large set of pencil crayons. Just, oh, sorry, you can't really see it. I have chalk pastels back there, fairly decent ones, as well as pencil crayons that are just basic if I was going to color with kids. I have those. So then I also have, so Crayola came out with skin tone markers and pencil crayons, and I bought both the markers and, oh, maybe I just bought the markers. I thought I bought the pencil crayon as well. So I bought the markers, and then I have 100 pack of Crayola markers back there. I like Crayola markers. They work very well, and they are obviously very affordable. And then I have these oil pastels. They're extra soft water soluble. I have them in metallic and regular. These are a new purchase, and actually I had purchased the metallic. They sent me the regular by accident, and then this company was really fantastic that was selling them. It wasn't from Mungyo, like, directly. It was a new seller on Amazon that I found. I found them on a flash sale. So they sent me the wrong product. They refunded the money for the product, let me keep it, and then sent me the right product. So credit to that company. Basically, I got 2 beautiful sets of water pastels for $20. And I can't say enough positive about that company, just because I had another incident on Amazon. They sent me the wrong product. Not Amazon itself, but a third-party seller, and they were not willing to correct their mistake. Yes, they sent me a refund, but I didn't want a refund. I wanted the right product. Well, actually, I didn't even get a product from them. I got, it was really strange. I think I got somebody else's order. I got an embossing folder, and it was the wrong tracking number, everything was wrong on it except for my address. So I don't know how I ended up with that, but when I tried to deal with the company, they didn't respond. And then when they did respond, they told me to keep waiting. And then they finally just said, kind of too bad for you. You're not going to get it, and we're not going to resend it. So I was not happy. Okay, and then I also have, this was an amazing deal, Steadler Pencils. I got it for $15 down from $51. So, like I said, I have a lot of expensive supplies, but I'm very thrifty in the way I get them. This was a project gone wrong. It's some oil pastels, and I was trying to make like a metallic, not metallic. Oh, I saw it on YouTube. Like a paste, a wax. I don't know. I don't know what I did wrong. Mine didn't work. This is charcoal that I got from my thrift store. Conte. Sorry, I believe this is Conte as well. Colored Conte and black and white Conte, both from my thrift store. Little paint sets from AliExpress. They were probably worth the money, but they're not great, unfortunately. But I mean, whatever. I think they were $20. Metallic crayons, or glitter crayons. As you can tell, I like glitter and metallic. Okay, and then this also goes in there, and it just fell. Metallic marker set from Recollections, which is Michael's brand, and we got them in the Dollar Tree. As everybody has said, not all the markers in these packages work, so it's not just, I think, 1 or 2 packages that don't work. I think it's all the stores across Canada and the States are having issues with the markers in here. However, 1 or 2 markers not working in an 18 pack for $1.25 is not a big deal. So I got those as well. And then I got up here markers from AliExpress. I thought they would be like more like the Tombow watercolor based markers. I'm not super impressed with them. But once again, for the price and the color range I got, I cannot really complain. They have fine tip and broad tip. I thought they were a brush tip, and I think actually they were advertised as a brush tip. They are not. They are just a regular felt tip, and not even a very good one at that. but that's okay. I have the cut and dry foam stamp pad that I've never used. It was gifted to me. This is one of those things that in Canada, they're very expensive. And so I hoard them. I don't know why, but I need to just use it because it'd be fun. Some palettes for my alcohol markers. Well, anything I want to use them for. So I have the Spectrum Noir markers. I have all the sets, except I believe 2 of the large sets, which I would love to complete the set, but they've gone from like $60 to outrageous, so I have not. I bought these Kelly Creates metallic drill brush pens. I went to Hobby Lobby once in my life, and I purchased these there. Another product that I'm not crazy about, but I wanted to try them. So I did. Then I have just some fine liner pens from the dollar store. Alcohol inks from AliExpress. Yeah. I don't know if it was this box or my other ones. Some of them, I bought them for resin, and then I decided to try them like as regular alcohol inks. I'm sure they'll work fantastic with resin. They don't dry properly for other techniques that aren't going to be resin-based. I believe it's these ones. Yeah, see, they're resin pigments, and I did not pay attention to that. They are not actual regular alcohol inks. So, if you're buying them for resin, that's great. If you're buying them to use as alcohol inks, they dry sticky. So, that's a bit of a problem. And then I have here my Distress Stains, which I really just need to get out again. And Distress Paint, the only color I have because it was sent to me by accident. My alcohol blending solution. So yes, and these stains, I'm just looking at it. I wonder if these are even any good anymore. But I bought them $3 a bottle, so that's dirt cheap. I don't even know if they're being made anymore, to be honest. And then I was able to get, that's how I have so many. I did not buy them in Canada. I got them shipped from the States, from somebody. But yeah, that is the end of that. Kind of what I keep in my mixed media cart. So I have lots of fun stuff I want to get into. I'm in Manitoba and the COVID restrictions are absolutely off the wall here. We are basically expected to be housebound. Who knows? By the looks of it, it's not planning to get any better. It's getting worse. And the location I'm in, they're trying to claim that we are the highest area in Manitoba or whatever. I don't believe that, but it's not. Whatever. There's nothing I can do about it. So all that to say, I will be spending more time in my mixed media cart and trying a lot of the products that I have that have just been sitting. I mean, of course, I've tried some of them, but I have so much more. There's so much more potential that these products have than I've explored. So, yeah, I will talk to you all soon, and I hope you liked seeing what was in my cart. Any questions or comments, as usual, leave them below.